Exercise 2B, question number 1. Mark the following pairs of rational numbers on separate number lines. The first one is 3 by 4 and second one is minus 1 by 4. Now before this I want to explain you proper fraction and improper fraction. If you know about proper and improper fraction, then it will be easy for you to plot the numbers on number line. Now what do you mean by proper fraction? In proper fraction, numerator is always less than denominator. As you can see, 3 by 4, 4 is a numerator, 4 is a denominator and 3 is a numerator, and 4 is greater than 3. So this is the example of proper fraction. Now minus 1 by 4, again denominator is 4 and numerator is minus 1. As you can see, denominator is greater than numerator. So this is an example of proper fraction. Now whenever you are having proper fraction, always you will plot numbers between 0 to 1 if positive fraction is there, 0 to minus 1 if negative fraction is there. That means 3 by 4 जो है एक proper fraction है और 3 by 4 positive है. इसका मतलब जो 3 by 4 है उसको आप नंबर लाइन में 0 और 1 के बीच में प्लॉट करेंगे. ठीक है. If you are dividing 4 by 3, so this is not divisible, so it will take decimal. So this is 30 now. 4 7 ja 28. Remaining 2. This 2 will become 0. Again will give 0 and it will become 20. 4 5 ja 20. As you can see, 0.75 lies between 0 and 1. So whenever you are having a proper fraction, that will be available between 0 to 1 if positive proper fraction is there. If negative proper fraction is there, then it will be available between 0 to minus 1. Okay. Now 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 that we have to plot. So if you are using proper and improper fractions property, then you are not supposed to divide this. Okay. And if you don't want to use this proper fraction property, then you can use division, which I explained in first video. Now what is improper fraction? Improper fraction, that is numerator is greater than denominator. 3 by 2, 3 is greater than 2, so numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper. Improper में आपको divide करके देखना ही पड़ेगा, बिना उसके नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. Now 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 proper fraction, minus 1 by 4 proper fraction. So 3 by 4 जो है 0 to 1 के बीच में आएगा, minus 1 by 4 0 to minus 1 के बीच में. Clear? Then this is your number line. Okay, in which this is 0, this is minus 1 and minus 2, this is 1 and this is 2. On the different number lines we have to plot. So first I am plotting 3 by 4. 3 by 4 lies between 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, here is 0 and here is 1. Okay. So now 0 to 1 we have to plot this. 3 by 4 denominator is 4. That means 0 to 1 जो है उसको हम 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकेंड पार्ट. तो 0 to 1 we have to divide in 4 parts. Okay. So now you will not count this 0. So the first part is, so this is your first part, second, third, fourth. Okay. So this one is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, this is 3 by 4, which we want to plot. Okay. So you can use scales scale over there to represent, and this one is our answer. So you can write this as A. Okay, then you can represent A equals to 3 by 4, and that is actual position. Let's suppose this is O, so OA equals to 3 by 4. This is your answer. Clear? Now minus 1 by 4, that we have to plot on another number line. So you will draw another number line here. Okay, I am plotting on this number line. So now so minus 1 by 4 lies between 0 to minus 1. So 0 से minus 1 के बीच में 4 parts में divide करेंगे. First part, second part, third part, and this one is fourth part. So this is minus 1 by 4 which we want to plot. So let this is P. So you can write OP equals to minus 1 by 4. Okay, Papa? Like this you have to plot question number 1. Papa? Question number 3rd, 5 by 6 and minus 2 by 3. As you can see, 5 is less than 6. That means denominator is greater than numerator. So this 5 by 6 is an example of proper fraction. And in proper fraction, you know, on plotting, it will be between 0 to 1 because 5 by 6 is positive. Now on this side, 3 is denominator, 2 is numerator. 3 is greater than 2. That means denominator is greater than numerator. So again, this is a proper fraction. In proper fraction, but negative proper fraction here. So it will lie between 0 to minus 1. Okay. So now on different number lines we have to plot. So the first number line here we are having. So first we are plotting 5 by 6. So this is your 0 and this is 1 and 2. This is minus 1 and minus 2. Now 5 by 6 will lie between 0 to 1. So 0 से 1 के बीच में ये होगा. तो 0 से 1 के बीच में क्या करना है, डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी होगा उतने पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. तो कितना है, 6 है. दैट मीन्स डोंट काउंट 0. जहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं उसको काउंट नहीं करते हैं, जहाँ पे एंड होता है उसको काउंट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ and this one is 6th. Okay, so this is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and this one is 6 by 6. और 6 by 6 कैंसिल होकर कितना आता है, 1 आता है और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी 1 है. दैट मीन्स आवर कैलकुलेशन इज राइट. ओके, यू कैन चेक बाय दिस. सो 5 by 6 you know which is 5 by 6 here. This one is your 5 by 6. Let this is A. So you can write OA. Okay, what you can write? You can write OA represents this distance. Then you can write A equals to 5 by 6. A represents, you have to write A represents 5 by 6. Now on another number line minus 2 by 3. So for that minus 2 by 3 जो है वो 0 और minus 1 के बीच में आएगा. So for that this is 0, this is minus 1, this one is minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, 0 और minus 1. Okay, minus 2 by 3. तो 0 और minus 1 को 3 parts में divide करना है. So here we are starting first part, second part, this one is third part. So this is minus 1 by 3, this is minus 2 by 3 that we have to plot. Okay, so you can write here minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, no problem. So this is our actual fraction, minus 2 by 3. So name this as B, or you can use any other alphabet. I'm using B. So you have to write B represents minus 2 by 3. Okay, so you can solve question number 1